Hello guys, it's Dale here. Before we go into today's analysis, I'd like to mention one thing, and the thing is a special Halloween sale that we are running on the order flow pack and the elite pack. The order flow pack is available in here. If you click order flow here in the menu, then there's a video which explains everything that you can get with the order flow pack. The order flow is ideal for intraday traders, and the pack includes the order flow software, 12-hour video course on trading with the order flow, and volume profile indicator. You can get it in here, as I was saying, if you click the order flow in the menu. The other pack is called the elite pack, and you can get it if you click this trading course and tools button and scroll down a bit, and this is it. This is the elite pack, and the elite pack focuses on training to trade with a volume profile indicator, which is ideal trading tool for intraday trading, but also for swing trading and planning your long-term investments. There's a video which you can watch. The video will show you everything that's included in the elite pack. In short, there's a video course on the volume profile trading, my personal trading levels, volume profile indicators, and a couple of bonuses. At the top of that, both for the elite pack and the order flow pack, there is a free tech support, which means that our support will install the NinjaTrader 8 platform for you with all indicators, workspaces, connect you to data feed, and they'll do it for free, right? So that's the special sale we are currently running. And let me now switch over to the charts and do the trade analysis. So what I want to talk about today is the Canadian dollar Swiss franc, a day trading analysis. So I'm going to work with a 30-minute time frame of the Canadian dollar Swiss franc. And what I want to talk about is two strong supports. The first one is at 0.7259. The second one is at 0.7240. Let me draw the volume profile over the trend area from yesterday. This is the trend area. And those two supports are based on significant volumes which got accumulated within this trend area. First one was accumulated in here. The second one, this is where the strong buying activity yesterday started. So let's talk about the first one, this one, the higher one. This one is based on volume profile setup, which is called the trend setup. You trade the trend setup when there's a trend, and what you want to see within the trend is a volume cluster like this one. This is the beginning of the heavy volume cluster, and this is where I think buyers will want to become active and push the price upwards. Reason being is that as the price was going upwards and pushing higher and higher, then in this place buyers were adding to their long positions. Right? So this appears to be a significant area for those buyers. And for that reason, those buyers should become active when there's a pullback to this level, right? So this is why it should work as a support. Now, another reason why I like this support is that the price reacted to it in the past, in here, right? There was a nice and sharp reaction, which means that it worked as a strong resistance in the past. Now, because the price blew past that resistance in here, it then became a support, right? Because broken resistance turns into a new support. A third thing why I like this level is that weekly point of control is here. This is volume profile from this whole week, from Monday up until today. This is the weekly point of control. And it is just a little bit below our level, so it adds strength to it. Alright, because the heaviest volumes throughout this current week were traded at this level. So that's why I like this level, and that's why I think it will work as a strong support. The second level that I have, the second support, this one, is based on volume accumulation setup. This is a setup which says that you want to see a rotation with heavy volumes like this one before strong trend activity, right? This rotation with those volumes is telling us that buyers were building up their long positions before they started to manipulate the price to go upwards. So this is an important zone for those buyers, because this is where they placed most of the longs, right? And that's why when there's a pullback at some point in the future to this level, then those buyers should become active and they should defend this area, because it's clearly important for them, because they placed a lot of their longs there. So that's why this should work as a support and the price should react there, right? By the way, the strength of the buyers is nicely visible on this uptrend, right? The sharper the trend, the stronger and more aggressive the buyers, right? In here there was a very strong and sharp uptrend starting from here, and this is telling us that in here strong and aggressive buyers were building up their longs. And that's what I wanted to see with this setup. I wanted to see heavy volumes in a rotation and sharp trend. All right. Now another thing that I like about this second support at 72.40 is that first deviation of VWAP is very close to it. The gray line, that's the first deviation of VWAP, and it adds strength to it. So if at the point when there's a pullback, the first deviation of VWAP is still somewhere around our support, then it will add strength to the support, right? The first deviation of VWAP will add strength to the support, which would be very nice. By the way, there's also another first deviation of VWAP in here. The price is currently moving above it, and it's likely that the price will make a pullback, or if it will make a pullback, then it's likely that it will react to that first deviation of VWAP, right? The first deviation is moving, as you can see, so it's hard to predict where it will be at the time when the price makes the pullback, if it makes the pullback, but it's worth watching for, as when the price is trending like this above the first deviation of the VWAP, then it likes to react to it like this. All right. So yeah, and that's about that. That's about today's analysis of the Canadian dollar Swiss franc. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in our members area. And until then, happy trading.